how to create a custom dark mode schedule on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on display. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on dark mode settings. Next, tap on custom schedule. And in here, tap on set schedule. From here, you can choose a start time and end time. So here, tap on the start tab and select a time. So let's say I want to schedule my dark mode to start at 8:30 p.m. And then tap on end. So tap on the end tab at the top, and we'll end at say 6 a.m. and then tap on done. So between 8:30 p.m. and 6 a.m. the next day, dark mode will turn on automatically. After 6 a.m., dark mode will turn off, and your phone will sit back to light mode. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.